Here's how I can make Spider-Man Ben Riley and Gacha online. Anyway, I did this fast, so you don't have to wake up. Also, April Fool's Day tomorrow. I'm gonna make an April Fool's Day video tomorrow. Real hair, 300 450, 55. Face AC, 1100 434. Glasses, 1100 259. Pants, 900 262. Belt, 33. Jacket, 600 132. Shoe, 52. Also, the new update in Gacha Online is now here, and I updated my Sonic characters because they added new shoes. Here is Tails shoes and Sonic shoes. Also, back hair. Here's back hair. There are spines. Sonic spine and another Sonic spine. I don't know why socks wasn't updated. Pants wasn't updated. Sleeves wasn't updated. Wings wasn't updated. Gloves wasn't updated. And neither of eyes wasn't updated. Here's the real problem. I cannot believe that those even gloves, they need to be updated. God, I can't believe we waited so much and we didn't even get updates about wings or the others. Wow, that's just stupid. Anyway, continuing now. Sleeve, 1100 627. Shirt, 23. Gloves, 16. I think that's it. And here's the color for hair, face, jacket, belt. Clearly that much. Yep. Wait, did I tell glasses? Hold up, did I tell glasses? Glasses, 1100 259. Yep, I did. It's just white. And you're finished. Oh wait, no, the size. Here's the size. Yeah, here's the size. Now you're finished. I'm just making sure I didn't forget about nothing. Yep, you're finished. I didn't forget.